I said 500.
I can't hear you, sir.
Like 50.
Yes, anything else?
Who knew this would be so much trouble?
It needs to be 500 chicken nuggets.
Yes, sir. Anything else? My machine's not fast enough.
Okay, that'll be it.
Well, then that'll be it.
Alright, we'll have your car at the second window.
People. Carlsbad, New Mexico for you. Now, let's get this going. There's the card. Don't lose the card. Then I guess you'll be paying for it.
Oh, hell. I was like, heck no.
I don't think you want to be footing this bill, bud. Either way, it's still cheaper here than it is at McDonald's. By a few bucks. Per 10 piece. So you got 50 times 3 that you're saving money. I ain't trying to go broke here. Alright. Let's see what she says. Alright, guys. This is gonna be fun.
I'm just saying, that's not coming out of my paycheck. Sorry. Yeah, 3 10-piece, 2 20-piece.
Yep.
We need.
That's supposed to be.
Say it again, sorry.
That's supposed to be 500 chicken nuggets total.
500 chicken nuggets.
Yes.
Sage, you can fix this one too. He wants 500 chicken nuggets. 500 chicken nuggets.
Let's pay and then we'll bring it up to you at the trash can, okay? Huh? You guys want 500 nuggets?
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool. My bad. So
Yeah, I'm doing.
now I gotta do the math, dude.
It's like 2 something.
Okay, so right now, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, so 5. So 520, 5 times.
Okay, if you were to do that, let's see, barbecue, and what other sauces do y'all have?
We got honey mustard, sweet sour, ranch, zesty, and buffalo.
Honey mustard.
Honey mustard.
Yeah, I'm doing a video for this.
20-piece nuggets, right? 25 times 20?
Yeah.
25, 20.
That, okay, alright. Dipping sauce?
Barbecue.
You guys just want everything we have?
I mean, at this point, it almost seems accurate.
Barbecue and honey mustard.
It's the box of barbecue.
Yeah.
Honey mustard.
Yeah.
That would be $174.65. It's the most nuggets I've ever seen. What?
Well, I'm doing this for a YouTube video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I guess it makes sense.
Yeah. It's just like a little bit of a challenge. Trying to eat 500 chicken nuggets in one sitting.
You're gonna eat 100?
No, 500 chicken nuggets in one sitting.
Who's gonna do this?
Me.
Dude, you're gonna make the Guinness Book of World Records.
Hey,
Serious.
that's the plan.
Yeah, if you do that, you're actually gonna do big. This is big thing. These are big things. I've been here before.
Shout out to Burger King here in Carlsbad. Good spirits. They never heard of this order before, so that's good. At least I get to be there first, right? Am I right, bud?
Well, yeah, even if you don't complete the challenge, you're still the first man to order 500 chicken nuggets out of this Burger King, which I'm pretty sure is like nowhere else around in the USA.
I mean, I've done 250 chicken nuggets at McDonald's before, but never 500.
Money, that's the thing.
Yeah, I know it's ridiculous to spend like.
Into a pen in green.
Huh? Well, at least this guy right here, he has some good. He has good.
Bama.
At least he's having fun doing this. Huh?
What's it gonna be called?
It's gonna be the 500 chicken nugget challenge at Burger King. Just look up King J Dubs on YouTube.
King J Dubs?
Yes, King, capital K, King, capital J. Yeah.
I want to see if
I'm gonna do it. Shout out to Burger King. These people, they are really good, and they're having good spirits about this, and they cannot believe that I'm doing this.
write it real quick.
All right, I'm about to write it down. King J Dubs.
I know, I'm your only follower.
So, this is gonna be awesome. It's gonna be epic. Hey, and if you do watch it, subscribe.
Okay.
Yes, that's it. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Oh, did we get our receipt?
Are you posting it tonight?
Yes, I'll be posting
Okay.
it tonight.
All right, we'll bring your nuggets out to you, okay?
All right.
Trash
Did
can.
you already give them the receipt?
What's up?
Did you already give them the receipt? Just to show proof that I'm actually doing this. I'm not gonna sit here just con all this and then not do it.
It's a duplicate. I don't know if I did it right. There you go.
Just pull up right there.
Is it trash can?
Yes. You don't fucking just
What was that?
nothing.
I'm
It's a
listening.
blooper. See? Look. There's the duplicate receipt. He didn't give me the main receipt, but you know, it's gonna work. It'll work. It shows that I'm at Burger King, and I even show you all the freaking nuggets. Oil filled. It's changed me, man. I've seen some dark things. And we'll see some darker things with these chicken nuggets later.
I was just watching laugh. That's all I can do.
So what do you think about this challenge? You think it's retarded?
I see you visiting a toilet very soon. And it's not to take a crap. It's going to be to throw up is what it's going to be.
I don't know. I mean, I could throw up, or I could just be a man and just take it.
Yeah, and die.
Yes. No! We do not talk about death.
No, I'm not talking about it. I just know what's going to happen.
Yeah, this is probably super unhealthy, so I wouldn't advise you to do this at all. Like, do not do this. Because if you do not say that King J Dubs, said, well, he did it, so why can't I? No, don't do that, please. I do not need that on my conscience. But if I do this, apparently I'll be in the what book of records? The world.
Guinness.
Yeah, the Guinness Book World Records, something like that. I don't know. I can't even talk straight right now because I'm nervous about this challenge. I really, really, really am. I just signed my death note, my death wish. Maybe I can have my buddy just finish it off. Whatever I don't finish, he can finish. But I haven't eaten since this morning, so maybe.
This food's going to eat you.
Huh?
This food's going to eat you.
No, I'm going to eat the food. The food doesn't eat me. I eat the food. I dominate the food. It's going to be man versus food. And so far, man is going to win. I think. At least.
You kind of worry me when you say I think.
Man, if y'all haven't already, while watching this video, please subscribe. Like, just please. That's all I need, is to subscribe and comment and tell me what would y'all like to see next. Because I say we, I mean me. I will do anything. I do have my limits. So let's not think of anything outrageous here. Like, I'm not going to sit there and cliff dive off of a cliff that's like 1,200 foot up and there's water underneath. I mean, I know there's water there, but I'm not going to do that. I mean, no. I'm not going to do that. But if you got anything else that you would like to see done, that maybe you haven't seen done, that you wanted a YouTuber to do, just put it in the comments and I will look at them and I will consider doing them. I will put some thought and consideration into doing it. So, please like and subscribe this video. Please like this video and subscribe. Because I'm trying to reach, my goal is to reach 2 million subscribers within 2 years. So that means I need 1 million subscribers a year, which is a high deal considering I only have 3 subscribers right now. So I will get right back with y'all as soon as the food gets here.